Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden door designs, main door designs, room door designs, beautiful ideas, stylish designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is beautiful, different and trendy. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden door designs, beautiful ideas. Every design is so beautiful, so trendy. Unique top 50 designs and ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. Best top 50 designs and ideas you can see. Latest uploading ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful door designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com, Amazon. You can buy wooden projects in these websites easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden door designs, main door designs, room door designs, beautiful and trendy stylish wooden door designs and ideas. Top 50 designer ideas. Most beautiful, most trendy. See beautiful designs. Latest uploading ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.